I'm Grace Melvin. I do the Health and Social Care Foundation Apprenticeship. I am placed at St Andrews in Inverurie and I'm from Academy. I chose to study this because I want to go into something along the lines of social work, psychology, and I thought it would just be a really good experience to sort of learn the ins and outs of that sort of area of work. So the FA is definitely different to the rest of my school classes because I feel like you have a bit more time. Like I'll go into the FA and it's sort of just work at your own pace. But within classes it's obviously different. You've got deadlines and everything. However, there is deadlines for the FA, but it's sort of work at your own pace however you feel most comfortable doing it. When I go into my placement, it's a Tuesday afternoon, I go in, I see all the service users. It's, usually they're outside playing or, reading a book, something along the lines of that. But you go in and honestly they all get so excited as soon as you walk in, and it's just so good just to know that they know who I am and I'm not just a random person going in to where they go to school. Skills I have learned definitely throughout the whole thing would be communication. From being at St Andrews, you need to have a lot of patience with communication because not everyone communicates in the same way, so you need to ensure that you are open to communicate in different ways with different people. I would say definitely just be ready for all the work because there is so much of it, but it is in so many different areas that it's so interesting to learn about everything different. You're doing one thing one week and then something different the next week, and it's just so interesting, and it's definitely good to learn about these skills so you can take them further on after school or places of work and stuff. I think the support is amazing. As soon as I will send Sheila an email, she'll reply and she'll tell me what it is I need to do, what I need to work on, sort of my strengths and my weaknesses, and I think she's really helpful, definitely. She's very good at explaining everything and how to do it all. I would 100% recommend it. I just know that I've enjoyed it so much. I know a lot of my friends have taken what I have said about it and they have picked it for next year because I honestly only have good things to say about it. The support I've had from my tutor, the work, it is a big workload. I'm not gonna lie, it's a big workload, but it's so easy to just get through it. If you are interested in it, you are gonna get through the workload because you're involved, if that makes sense. Because you want to do it and be involved with that, then it's a lot easier to get it done because you're interested. And the placement is just such a good experience. No matter where you get put, it is just a really good experience to have that work environment, definitely for things like uni applications, job applications and everything.